Okay, today I'm going to teach you how you are going to create alarms, AWS alarms for EC2 machine. So in EC2 machines, we will use metric CPU utilization, so that if the CPU goes high, more than 90%, so it will send you an alarm that you have to look up into your machine that what is going on there. So for that reason we will go to our AWS account, and in AWS account I will create one EC2 machine. Okay, first we'll go to EC2 instances, and here I will create one instance, Windows instance. Okay, go back to the old one. Yes. Okay, launch instance, and there you will write Windows. So let's suppose we will take this Windows Server 2019. Okay, just configure instance details. Okay, and VPC, we will take default VPC. Okay, subnet no preference, or if you want to select it in East zone or any availability zone, just select it from here. So, or if you will select no preference, so it will put it according to its desire. Okay, enable, and we will go here, and domain, there is no domain. Okay, protect against accidental termination. Then go to next, add storage, take everything by default. There is no tags, security group. Okay, if you want to create any security group, or you want to create new security group, there is no existing security group. This is default. We will create new one. Okay, and give the name here, Ali SGAC. Description for lab. Okay, then this port, RDP port, we have to open it. Okay, review and launch. Okay, there is an existing key pair is available, already available. So because we need this key pair to in order to access our EC2 machine, and select it, because I have already created my key pair. So I will get it from my PC, that key pair. Okay, it will take some time to launch this machine. Okay, before that, what we will do, just download, go to this gem software. I will show you how you will go here. Okay, come to this URL, free download, heavy load. Why we will use this software? This software we use to put our CPU on a high node, so that it is there, because if it will goes more than 90%, so the alarm will be generated. So it's in the running mode. And come to the CloudWatch dashboard. Okay, here come to in alarms. Currently we don't have any alarm. Okay, so we will create one alarm here, create alarm, and select metric. Okay, so if you will come here, okay, what type of metrics here? Currently 142 metrics are available, so we will select this EC2, because we need EC2 machine. Then pre-instances metrics, select this. Okay, there are a number of instances are coming, so what we will do, we'll come here and we will copy the instance ID, because we want to create alarm for this particular EC2 machine. Copy and come to our CloudWatch, just copy paste over here and select. Okay, because it is not showing right now, because it is in the running initializing stage. Once it's done, so then we will be it is going to search it. It will be able to search this machine. So give it a little bit time. It will take I think almost 5 minutes to complete. As you can see that it is showing over here matrix name according to their instance IDs, and as you can see there's CPU credit usage, CPU credit balance, and number of instances. Metric names are available over here. So we will go for CPU utilization. So once our instance will be finalized, so I'm going to select this CPU utilization. As you can see here, it is available over here. Let me check if it is done or not. Still taking so much time. Okay. Okay, as you can see there, this is instance based CloudWatch dashboard over here. If you, as you can see there, CloudWatch alarms. Right now no alarm is configured, but it will show you these metrics of this particular machine: CPU utilization, disk read operations, disk writes, and this write operations. The number of metrics according related to this particular instance available here. Okay, now our machine has been it's finished. So what we'll do, I will copy, okay, Control C, and come to here, CloudWatch. Again I'm going to now it is showing here. So I will select this CPU utilization, that select metric. Okay, when you will come here, it will show you the dot, that is the data point that is called. This dot is known as the data point. There is okay, when you select it, so it will show you like this. Okay, there is no need to change the name of the metric name, CPU utilization, and instance ID. It should be remain as it is. Come to down, and then we will give here 90%. It will count this 90 as a percentage. Okay, in additional configuration, there is no need to make any change. If it goes more than 90%, so it will send an alarm. Okay, here we have to select an existing SNS topic. So this topic I have already created before. So just select this topic because it will send an alarm to this email address. Okay, and now I will go to the next alarm name, Lali. If you want to give any description, so you can give it here. Okay, we'll go next. Okay, so as you can see here, it is showing here showing us here 90%. Okay, and what let me come here and then create alarm. Okay, so currently it's showing us nothing over here, and what I will do, see, you can see that CPU utilization, this is our alarm. Okay, I will go to the machine, and what I will do, I'm going to access this machine, connect. Okay, download it, stop file. Let's suppose, okay, I will download it here, try to connect it, connect. Okay, it is asking for the password, so what I'm doing, get password, decrypt file, sorry, choose file, and where is my AWS EC2, and I will go to I will keep here one. Where is that? Keep here. Where I put it? Let me check. I think I have one project which should be over there. Okay, this I will keep here. Decrypt. Okay, this is my password. Copy it, paste, and okay. Yes. So what will happen once it's done over here? Okay, I can show you one thing over here. As you can see, this is instance utilization. You can select it. This is showing here up to, it is showing here up to 60, any less than 60% it is showing here. So let me check inside that machine what's the status, and then I will copy that software, gem software, into that machine, and it will make the CPU utilization more than 90%, so that we can receive this alarm. Okay, as you can see here, okay. Go to that control panel. Task manager. I will search it from here. More details, and you can see here the CPU is going a little bit high, 100%. Okay, it is showing here, and we can see here the monitoring level. Okay, this is the basic monitoring, so it will show us one important thing, because we didn't check for the detail monitoring, because in detail monitoring we will see the monitoring of that particular metric after every 1 minute, but here in basic monitoring we will see the detail after every 5 minutes. So just leave it as it is here, and I will let me copy that particular software which I have already copied, that is known as jam software, softwares heavy load CPU. Okay, just control C, and this machine, and I have to paste it over here. Okay, Now it's 26%, 21, 30%, 9% CPU utilization is showing over here. So if I will show you that instance, how much data point is going on from 10% to 60%. At what time it was there? At 12 a.m. Now at 12:05 a.m. it is down up to 10%. Okay. Now come to the CloudWatch. Here it is showing at OK state. Why it is at OK state? Because the CPU utilization is less than 90%. So when it goes more than 9, as you can see here in the graph, the data point is currently right now here and up to here at that particular time. And the threshold, when it comes to the danger threshold, it is up to the 90% or more than 90%. So what I'm going to do, I will install that software. It's taking a little bit time to copy. Okay, it's done. Now I'm going to install the software. Next. Okay. Okay, now launch it. And let me run this software. It's taking a little bit of time. Okay, until it is installed. So as we can see that CPU utilization is showing here 14%. Let me run this software, and after that we will see how much pressure this software is going to put on this machine. Now see, as we can see there 100%. Now the software has jammed the CPU, and we will come to here and refresh it. Let's see what it does. And here until we can see there an alarm, it is 0. Okay, now the threshold is getting up because it will give us a 5-minute delay. And if we go to the EC2 instance, and now we will check here. Okay, it is moving up gradually. Okay, now it's up to the 60% of after 5-minute delay. It will show us the next data point. Okay, until it is showing okay, and in alarm section nothing happening over there. Okay, let me check. Okay, if you will see here what is the condition of software. Now the CPU utilization is 100%. It's going on here from here. Okay, and so we have to wait for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes it will give us the data point, the current data point where it reaches up. As we can see there 94 data points within 5 minutes. So in basic monitoring, as I'm repeating again, that it will give us the status of that machine with the delay of 5 minutes. But if you will, while creation of the EC2 instance or EC2 machine, if you check on the detail monitoring, so it will give us the monitoring with a delay of 1 minute. So here we have to wait a little bit. It is showing us. Okay, as you can see the timings and the CPU utilization, it is showing over here, and that particular instance how much. Okay, delay of 5 minutes. Let it give some time. That is something else. Okay, in alarm, it's not showing anything because it's not. As you can see that now it's come to the 60%, 60.41. Okay, if we'll come here, we can check it. That's the CPU utilization is still showing us here 100% because the software is running and it's putting full load over the CPU. So let's check to the EC2 instance. In EC2 instance, CPU utilization, okay, it's moving again here 61%. Okay, so we'll come to the CloudWatch and check what's happening here. When it crosses this red line, so we will get an alarm, and I will show you the message, what message is going to send to us when it crosses the threshold. It's up to right now it's 60.94, 61%. Okay, and it is reaches to here. I will show you a little bit about these log groups. These log groups basically the data which we can receive through the agents. If you have installed any agents in the instances, so those agents will send the data to the log groups, and these are the insights. Insights are the sub logs of that log group. Then we have metrics. If you want to explore any particular metrics, so you can search it from here. Let's check. Go to the OK tab and check how much it reaches up. Okay, now it is up to the 61.99%. Now let me refresh it. And EC2 instance, what's happening here? Now it reaches up to 70% almost. 61.38. So as you can see that the link between the machine and this alarm, CloudWatch alarm, so it will take little bit time until we can check here in that particular machine what's the status. Okay, CPU status is 100%, as you can see here. check it when it reaches. Okay, it reaches up to 99.9%. So let me check here what is the status. And we can see this is our threshold. We have to reach, or we have to cross this red line. Okay, as you can see that it crosses the threshold, and as we can see here an alarm. Okay, we receive one alarm here, and let me refresh it. Okay, an alarm, so it sends a message. I will show you. It must have sent an email to my account. I will check it from here. Let me refresh my email. Did it send any message? Yes. So that SNS topic which I have created earlier, so it sends me the message that this is you're receiving this email because your Amazon CloudWatch alarm in the US state Virginia region has entered the alarm state. Okay, so I received one message over here, and what I will do, I will come here and I will stop that particular software so that in CloudWatch alarm my status from alarm state it will come to the OK state. So I will close that software and I will check how much CPU. Now CPU down to the 20%. So let me because after 5 minutes it will show me the status, the current status. So after 5 minutes automatically this alarm state will goes up to the OK state, and if you can see here at the particular instance CPU utilization, it is coming down. Okay, so let me show you this CloudWatch alarm. It's coming down gradually, it is coming down. So this before we don't have any alarm state, so when it will come down after 5 minutes, so this alarm state becomes 0 again, and then the OK state become 1. Okay, let me refresh it. Okay, as you can see here at what time the state update alarm update from OK to in alarm at that particular time. So if you will monitor at what time it was going up, so you can see from here the date and the time it will show you. So let me refresh it again. Okay, it will take complete 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes it will come down to the OK stage, inshallah. Okay, let me finish. So in this way, there are particular metrics are available for that particular instances, or whatever your desire. If you want to utilize this CloudWatch for that particular alarms with the combination of this SNS, simple notification services, so you can receive particular emails with particular service for particular services. As we can see here, I have created this billing alarm. What is that billing alarm? Is this that my bill is I can show you it from here, edit, in editing. That metric I have given over here, this estimated charges, that in US dollar if it is go up to more than $1, so it will send me an alarm. Okay, and you know as well that before creating an alarm you have to create a SNS topic, so that it can update you by using your email or by your uh, or send you an SMS on your mobile. So let me check once again. 5 minutes have been completed. So okay, great. So it shows me here now it is going down, and it must come to the OK state. Okay, now this alarm, an alarm state becomes 0 and the OK state is 1. So in this way you can create alarm for the particular instance, and you can associate it with particular metric.